Atlantic Convoy and Fearless Soul prevailed in the 20th running of the divided Arthur Jones Memorial Cup, the feature event on Saturday's 10-race card at Caymanas Park. The races were contested over 6 furlongs. The Ryan Lewis ridden and Patrick Wakilinch trained Atlantic Convoy was kept prominent in Division 1 of the feature event and made a serious move 4 furlongs from home. The 4-year-old Chestnut Colt, who went off at 3-1, battled briefly with the 4-5 favourite Sensational Move in the home stretch before taking over with a furlong to go.
Right across the course, and it's Sensational Move still repelling Atlantic Convoy, coming forward encouragingly. Sensational Move, Atlantic Convoy begins to fly, and now Atlantic Convoy goes on. Milos, watch Milos on the rail. It's Atlantic Convoy, Sensational Move trying to fight back. Milos coming forward and coming out wide. That's Press Conference. Atlantic Convoy begins to pull away from these, and Atlantic Convoy beats.
Atlantic Convoy returned 1 minute 13 4/5 to win by 4.5 lengths.
He never breaks sharp, but I have to ask him to keep up in the race. And I let him get a little breather and ask him back again at the 3 furlong. And up the straight, I asked him for everything again, and he gave me everything. And we are victorious.
Over in Division 2, the 5-2 shot Fearless Soul produced a terrific late burst to land the major share. The 4-year-old Chestnut Colt was ridden to victory by Paul Country Francis for 14-time former champion trainer Philip Fiani.
Is coming forward, also coming forward on the wide outside. That's Freedom Street, but it is Sugar Daddy tying up. But here comes Fearless Soul, hitting up the ground in the middle. And now Fearless Soul hit the front. Also coming on the inside, that's Grecian Light. Fearless Soul begins to go away. Grecian Light fighting hard, but only second best. Fearless Soul beats Grecian Light. Then comes Sugar Daddy, Laban, and Freedom Street.
Fearless Soul covered the distance in 1 minute 14 3/5 of a second.
You know, I get on this horse time in the morning. It's a very fit horse, nice horse. I don't really have confidence for this horse in this race. But what the trainer said, just get a good break, function very well, and then do your thing. But I still never get a good break, and I still never function good, but I still have confidence. Know that you're going to run through the field same way.
Elsewhere on the program, visiting Panamanian jockey Victor Sanchez recorded his first victory in Jamaica from his very first ride after guiding home the 7-5 second choice Rosetta for champion trainer Jason Acosta in the 4th running of the Caymanas Park 1959 trophy for native bred and imported 3-year-olds over a mile. Meanwhile, in-form apprentice Shane Richardson piloted the Errol War-trained Antarctica to a 6-1 mild upset victory in the Caymanas Park 65th anniversary trophy over 7 furlongs. That win closed out a double for Richardson on the program. Leading rider Tevin Foster also secured a double to move his tally for the season to 86 wins, 6 clear of Radish Roman in the race for the Jockeys Championship. Champion jockey Ryan Lewis also had a double on the card. Racing continues next Saturday.